Yeah, Ansan, are you there? Yeah, you started the recording too. Continue the class. As I'm saying you people, like here we need to add the namespace that is using system.data.sql client. We need to add the namespace system.data.sql client, correct? Now, under this namespace, I'm just creating a collection that is stack collection here. Stack. So sorry, using system.collections is a namespace. System.collections is a namespace. Now, stack S is equal to new stack. Like this, we are going to create the stack collection. Now, if you want to pass the values to the stack, we are using push operator. If you want to delete the values into the stack, we are using pop operator. Now, listen here, s dot push of A or else s dot push of 10 and s dot push of 20.5 and s dot push of psi. Like this, we are pushing three values. Now, as I told you people, if you want to display the values of collections, we are using a for each loop. So for each, the collection is object. What is the name of the stack? That is yes, and so, sorry, you can take object item in my collection, that is yes. See here, observe here all of you very carefully why I am taking object in a sense. Whenever we are discussing about the data types also, we have discussed that the parent type of data type is an object, right? Now, listen here, whenever loop is repeating, first time my S is pointing to 10. The 10 is passed to item. So object is capable of storing 10. Whenever again loop is repeating, my stack will point, my S will pointing to 20.5, the 20.5 will pass to item. So we're going to display 20.5. Again, whenever the loop is repeating, it will going to point psi, it will going to display that psi. See, now I'm just displaying the value of item. Now I'm trying to run it. It need to display the last item, that is psi, next to 20.5 and next is 10, right? Now listen here. See here. Now, what is the last inserted item? Any one of you?
Psi.
Now, as I told you, stack will be following last in first out manner, right? Now, when I'm trying to delete, what is the item that is available to delete first?
First is psi.
Last inserted item is first out. Very good. See, s dot pop. Now, again, I'm just displaying the message to the user that remaining values after one removal. Right? All of you clear? Now, to display the data again, I'm using the same syntax here. Now listen, I'm just trying to run it. See, 20.5 and 10, am I right? Like this. Take the screenshot of this code and this, code and result both. So sorry, just give me a minute. I'll try to rerun it again. Take the screenshot of it now. Make it fast, all of you.
Okay.
Completed?
Completed.
Shall we see the other thing now?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Now listen, we're going to discuss about queue collection. Now queue is equal to new queue, right? And the q dot nq of the nq, I mean passing the value is 10, and again q dot nq of 20.5, and again q dot nq of psi, and q dot nq of the value is like a. Okay, now listen here, I'm using the for each loop to display the values for each object item in queue. Now I'm using console.writeLine of item, correct? Now see,
Yeah.
the values will going to display like this, and here I'm trying to delete the values. To delete the values, I'm just using, for inserting it is enqueue, for deleting it is dequeue, q.dequeue. As I told you people, it will be following first in first out manner, right? First in first out in the sense the first insertion item, that is 10, will going to delete now, correct? So writeLine remaining values after one delete. Clear with you? Now here for each loop, now object item in queue. Alright, now listen here, console.writeLine of item. Now I'm trying to run it. See, the 10, 20 Sai A will going to come. The first insert item is 10, that will going to delete, and the remaining values 20.5 and Sai and A will going to be deleted. As I told you people in the last class, it will be following first in first out manner. Clear? Make it fast. Take the screenshot of it. Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Now we're going to discuss about other topic, that is list collection. Okay. Now, as I told you people, we have a disadvantage of stack and queue, that it will going to be follow either last in first out or first in first out. Am I right? Last insert item will going to remove or first insert item will going to remove. So coming to list collection or dictionary and array list, it will not be like that. Wherever you want to delete the item, you can able to delete. With how many values you want to delete, that many values also you can able to delete. There is no restriction like that. Clear?
Okay, it's clear.
Now, listen here. First, we're going to work on list collection. Okay. Otherwise, we're going to work with the array list. That is array list. AL is equal to new array list. Clear? Now, into this array list, I'm adding some values. Okay. AL dot add of, that is 10, and AL dot add of 20. How many values are there in my array list now?
2 values.
So that means 10 and 20. Am I right? I just want to insert the item in between 10 and 20. What is the index of, if I want to store like this, what is the index of 5? 1, right?
1.
If you want to insert the values with index, AL dot insert of is a method. Insert of is a method. In this insert of first index, I want to store the value as 5.
Oh, okay.
That means in the middle also we are adding, na?
Okay.
See, whenever you are adding in a stack and queue, either it will going to add in the last. Am I right? It is not going to add in the middle. Clear? Now listen. Again, AL dot insert of, AL dot add of, like I'm storing like Jayanti. Okay. Now, it will going to store 10, 5, 20 and Jayanti. Clear all of you? One more advantage is, I'm trying to take like int A is equal to new int of 5. Okay. Now here I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? How many values are there in integer array? 5 values, right? At a time, you will be store multiple values also in this one. Okay. That is add range one method is there, not insert range. Add range is a method. Or else we'll take AL dot. One more method is there, insert range something else. Range. Yeah, add range is a method that will going to add entire array. How many values are there in my array list now?
6.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 5, 20, Jayanti, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values are there, correct?
Yeah, okay.
Now for each loop, object, item in AL. Okay, now console.write. Right. Clear? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yeah, అర్థమవుతుంది.
Now, do you listen here very carefully, all of you. I want to delete the item that is available in a first index. I want to delete middle values. No, I don't want to delete either 10 or 5. That is not my focus. Okay. AL dot remove what first? What is the first index value?
0.
First index value, ma. 5, na?
First index with 5. Yeah.
Now the remaining values are what? Right? Now I want to delete the value from 10, 20, I want to delete, Jayanti I want to delete, 1 also I want to delete. So I need to start from 1, I need to delete 3 values, am I right?
Yeah.
AL dot remove range is a method. You are starting from 1 and you are deleting 3 values. Clear? Okay. Now, so the values are going to delete either 20 and Jayanti and 1. And now, so the remaining values would be 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear?
Okay, it's clear.
Now for each object item in here. Okay, now I'm just displaying the values, that is console.write line of item. I'm just need to give the message saying that remaining values after my delete. Remaining values after delete. Now listen. Clear? That's what we thought, right? 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Take the screenshot of all these things. So the advantage is we can able to add many items, we can able to delete many items, we can able to delete in the middle of the index, we can able to insert in the middle of the item, middle of the list, and so many options are there, right?
Yeah.
Take the screenshot of it, make it fast, everyone.
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
Actually అక్కడ రిమూవ్ ఎయిట్ ఉంది, రిమూవ్ రేంజ్ మెథడ్ ఉంది కదా, రెండు యూస్ చేయాలి కంపల్సరీ.
At in the sense it will going to remove the values based on the index. Range in the sense many values from one range to the limited number of the number of values whatever you have mentioned. So 1, 2, 3 means what? 1 means, I mean, like this we have taken, right? I mean 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, sorry, 10, 20 and something Jayanti is there, 1 is there, I think so. So it is starts with 20, 20 Jayanti, 1 removed. So see here only we have none.
Yeah.
So with the help of remove at 1 we have deleted this, right?
Yeah.
So then it is deleted 10, 20 Jayanti would be there. So at the first index it would be there is 20 and 1 Jayanti and 20. Clear?
Yeah. ఇక్కడ AL insert 1,5 కోడ్ రాస్తాం కదా, అది రాసినప్పుడు 10 తర్వాత పైన 10 తర్వాత ఎందుకు డిస్ప్లే అయింది మ్యామ్ అది?
అవును కదా, ఇప్పుడు 10 తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు 10 అనేది 0th ఇండెక్స్ కదమ్మా.
ఓకే.
ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ ఏంటన్నా, ఇక్కడ నేను ఇన్సర్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండెక్స్ వాల్యూ అంటున్నా. సో ఐఎమ్ ఇన్సర్టింగ్ ద వాల్యూ అట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్. ద ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ లో నాకు స్టోర్ అవ్వాల్సిన వాల్యూ అంటే 5. సో యాక్చువల్ గా 2 ఉంది అనుకో, ఇప్పుడు 10, 2, 3, 4, 5 ఉంది అనుకో. సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ లో ఏముంది, 2 ఉంది. నేను ఇక్కడ 2 తీసి నేను ఏం పెడదాం అనుకుంటున్నా, 5 అని పెడితే సో ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఏమవుతాయంటే నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేస్ కి మూవ్ అవుతాయి అనమాట.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక టేబుల్ ఉంది, టేబుల్ లో 3 పీపుల్ ఉన్నారు అనుకో, నువ్వు సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ లో కూర్చుంటే సో నీ ప్లేస్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు లెఫ్ట్ కి కానీ రైట్ కి కానీ మూవ్ అవ్వాలి కదా. So the same way it is also having the memory. No, you are overriding the value at 1 in the fifth place, fifth index, 5 value in the first index. The first index value from there it will move to other locations. Simple.
Yeah, అర్థమైంది.
అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, 10, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 అవుతుంది. అవునా?
Yeah, got it.
Take the screenshot of it, make it fast, every one of you, so that we're going to discuss other collection now.
So this is
completed.
Is that what this collection is? Array list.
Shall we take other example? Yeah, listen here. We're going to discuss about the other example, that is dictionary. the dictionary collection, dictionary. Actually, I think the namespaces we have deleted here. That is an issue, I think so. We'll see. No issues. Dictionary DI is equal to new dictionary. Okay, new dictionary. We'll check it the issue, which namespace we need to add for that. If you want to add the namespace, just go here and check here. Oh, it's not that. We'll do one thing. We'll copy the namespaces from here to there so that it will come. Oh, still it is not resolved. We'll take a new class. Just give me a minute, everyone. Yeah, now this will help us. Now listen here, all of you, very carefully. Now listen, dictionary. Now I'm taking dictionary. In my keys, I'm taking integer type and value as I'm taking of string. TA is equal to new key and value. Okay, now observe here, all of you, very carefully. I'm adding DI dot add of my key is one, name is Jayanti. Okay. Now my key is 2, adding name as Vamshi. And and again DI dot add of 3 and value is answer. Okay. Now listen, how many values are there in my dictionary collection now, all of you?
3 values.
Good. Now, if you want to loop the values, here each and every time whenever loop is repeating, first time it is pointing 1 and Jayanti and 2 and Vamshi and 3 and Nansen, right? So it is a key and value pair, right?
Mm-hmm.
So other than this object here, we need to take as key value pair. The key is of type integer and the value is of type string. Okay. Now listen, here I'm taking as di. Now console dot write line of item dot key and item dot value. Okay. Now I'm just trying to run it again. Make it fast. See, 1 is key and the value is Jayanti and 2 is Vamshi and 3 is answer. Clear?
Madam,
Now,
key value parenting.
yeah, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇది key and ఇది value. See, whenever you are pointing your mouse, here itself in the dictionary, here it is showing key and value, right? One is key is a data type integer, and if you want to store many values, suppose the example that we in the database will be having employee ID and employee name we are retrieving and we need to store in somewhere else in the application. So the employee IDs we are storing here in this 1, 2, 3 like this, and employee names like Jayanti, Vamshi and Nansen like this if we can store. As of now, just remember this syntax. Later whenever we are seeing advance of .NET things, that time I'm going to explain you other best example of dictionary collection. Okay.
Okay.
The syntax of the dictionary itself, it is following like key value pair. The dictionary key is of type integer and the value is of type string. So the key is 1 is Jayanti and 2 is Vamshi and 3 is Ansan. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Take the screenshot of it. Make it fast, every one of you.
Okay.
basically, this is showing like 2-column display of data. So it will show it as 1 Jayanti, 2 Vamshi, 3 Anson. Hello? Hello?
Completed?
Yeah, complete.
Yeah. Now we're going to discuss about. Yeah, Ansan, go ahead.
Yeah, can you hear me? I don't know why.
Yeah, somewhat, not totally.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead now.
Can you show this the output again? I just want to see that one.
Sure, Ansan.
Okay, so basically.
Are you able to see now?
Yes. So it's basically showing it as like a 2-column record set.
Yes, yes.
All right. Okay. That's
Yeah,
fine
yeah.
to see. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now listen here, all of you, very carefully. Now we're going to discuss about the other collection, that is,
Okay.
yeah, we have discussed about array list is completed and list we need to see. See, the disadvantage of the list is it will going to take the particular type of data. Okay, particular type of data, that is like this. Okay, list of li is equal to new list of li. See, what is the meaning of this? In the sense, list is going to take only type of integer, right?
Correct.
Okay. Now list of integer li is equal to new list of integer. Okay, li dot add of, shall I pass 24 10.5 like this?
No, only 10.
Integers, am I right?
Yeah.
Like this we can able to do. And one more thing, if 10 times I need to pass, what I need to do, li dot add of 20, li dot add of 30, like this I need to write 10 lines of code, right?
Mm-hmm.
Other than doing this, one more advantage here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this we can give. How many values are there in my list collection now?
9.
9 values.
10.
Think again.
1, 2, 3,
9 here. What about this 10?
10.
Maybe
10 values.
Now listen, good. Now for each loop, here I'm taking integer than object. Anyone of you can guess why I'm taking like this?
Yeah, because list is integer type.
Mm-hmm. We are
Integer.
not storing different types of values, right? Like integer, string, double float, character, like this, how we have stored in string, stack, queue, and all, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is the reason all the values that are present in a list is of type only integer, అవునా?
అవును.
అదే మనం స్టాక్ లో తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది, ఒకసారి 10, 20.5 సాయి ఇలా స్టోర్ చేసాం కదా.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
So whenever loop is repeating first, it will going to store 10. At that time, it will point. Again, whenever it is looping 20.5 integer, it will not going to store, right?
Correct. Mm-hmm.
So that is the reason we have taken object. Object will store all type of values. Now I know all my values of list will going to store only integer. So I'm directly taking integer only than taking object. Clear?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
అర్థమైందమ్మా?
Yeah, అర్థమైంది.
Now listen here, all of you, very carefully. Console.write line of item. Okay. Now listen. Directly we're going to display the values of 1 to 10. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, take the screenshot of it, make it fast. And tomorrow we're going to conduct the exam on all the topics like array list, collections and arrays and basic programming like loops and conditional statements and data types and all the things. Okay. As of now, whatever we have discussed. Clear all of you, like what is the meaning of MSAL and the execution structure we have seen, right? What is the meaning of garbage collector and all? Remember?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Differences between DLL and exe, and we have seen some other things, right? How execution will going to happen and all. Remember? And all the things we're going to have an exam on tomorrow's class.
Okay.
Completed, taken a screenshot?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So the list is only one data type integer, that's it. Or
Come again.
any other data type? Like, I know it cannot accept multiple types, but can it be maybe string?
Not able to hear you properly. Message otherwise in the chat window.
Oh, okay.
At that time you need to take list of string li is equal to new list of string, simple.
Oh, okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Okay. Any doubt, anyone of you? Hey,
No,
it's
we are
not
fine.
yeah, listen here, all of you. List of string is equal to new list of string. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Simple. At that time we can store like see, Ansan and Kalyani, something else, and we can display the values. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Simple, right? Take the screenshot of it. I'll come back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, చెప్పండి.
Yes. Take the screenshot of it.
Yes.
Hey, Ansel, you also know Telugu?
No, I don't know any Telugu.
Someone is saying, yeah, I think that is your slang.
I'm sorry?
No, no, someone is saying, I think Jayanti is talking. I think that is you.
No, this is me now.
Okay. Taken the screenshot, all of you?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Good. Listen here, all of you, and see, read all the things today and whatever we have covered. In tomorrow's, we have exam,
Okay.
and the notepad I have shared it with all of you people, right?
Yes.
That one prepare well, and
I have
based
a
on that, yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, it says it seems to have C code, but I mean, like includes stdioh or whatever.
Yes,
But
yes, yes. Hey, just go ahead with the questions, not answers.
okay, so basically,
If
I just
answers
went
are
ahead.
given, people will copy and paste right in the exam also. I do not
Okay.
do it.
Okay.
See questions, that's it, okay?
Okay. All right.
Yeah, if anything logic you people want to refer, go ahead with that logic.
Okay.
The C language logic, okay?
Oh, okay.
Anyhow,
Yeah.
logic is same, right?
Right.
But
Right. Yeah, so that's
In
what I
that
did,
case-
but I was just like confused because this is
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
okay.
Yeah. Someone is saying, Jayanti, you are saying
Yeah.
something, right?
యా మ్యామ్ నాకేమీ రాలేదు నోట్ ప్యాడ్ అది అంటే మెయిల్ ఏం లేదు.
Anna, I think Jayanti has transferred. Otherwise, no issues. I'll share it with you now. Okay.
ఓకే.
I think you are there in my Skype, right, Jayanti?
యా ఐ మీన్
ఒకసారి ping చేయమ్మా. Munshi, what about you? You got it? Otherwise, I'll share.
Yeah, I got it, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Jayanti, please ping me in the
Yeah,
Skype and
ma'am.
I'll share it with you. And please be prepared for the exam. Okay?
Okay,
ఓకే షూర్.
Yeah, yeah. Bye. I love you.
thank you.